What's going on, guys? So for this video we're going to be coating Bryan's new wheels with Adam's wheel coating. It's kind of a new product. I think they just released it not too long ago. I used it on my red wheels and the results were decent. I have used another wheel coating before that I liked a little bit better, but then for some reason they stopped selling it here in the US. It's only in the UK, so then now I'm using this one. So hopefully now that I did my other wheels with this one, we can go ahead and do Bryan's a lot better, because I know how the application works. I messed up on my first set just a tiny bit on the first wheel that I did. So this time it should be a lot smoother, a lot better, and then these wheels are going to be nice and shiny for a lot longer. So let's take these wheels inside. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad inside, and then we can film us coating everything on there. Alright guys, so we're going to prep the wheels right now. We're going to remove the center caps out of them. These ones are in there with a Allen wrench. So Bryan's right now is taking them off. We're going to take the one out of this one too. And then we're going to go ahead and clean them. Make sure they're nice and clean. And then start going to the actual coating part of it. So with the kit that we bought, the Adams coating kit, it comes with a surface prep, the actual coating, and then a ceramic boost. This you're supposed to spray after you coated the wheel. It also comes, we got the kit with the black light just to make sure it's all coated. But I think the first time I did it, that was my mistake, because I was hoping to see the actual light on all the wheel. And on Adam's website, it does say that just because the light is not shining, it doesn't mean the wheel is not coated. So don't overdo it. Like I said, that was my mistake when I first did the first set of wheels. So just as long as you know you went through the whole wheel, through the whole face, the lip and everything, you should be good. Don't expect to see the light everywhere shining, because then you might put too much coating in one spot like I did, and that's gonna maybe either haze them or make them look, a little bit off. So don't do that. It also comes with the applicator for the coating, and then has a couple set of gloves and kind of like a chamois to wipe it later, and an actual what is it? This like a buffing towel or something. So all of those, they all come in the kit if you buy it. So you should be good to go from there. So we have the center caps off. We're gonna hit it with the surface prep first, and then make sure they're all clean, and then hit them with the coating. So. Alright, so we just finished doing the last wheel. Right now we're waiting on it to dry up a little bit. Hit it with the coating booster, and then dry it up and put it to the side so they can fully cure. It's going to take about 12 to 24 hours according to Adam's polishes. So we're just going to put it on the bag and leave it there until tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll take them and get some tires mounted so we can put them in the hard body. It's going to look great. So that's just a little short video on the coating on the wheels. We'll link to it if you guys want to buy some. I'll link to the other one I used before that I think it's a little bit better. The only problem with that one is that it comes from Europe, so you'll probably have to wait a little bit longer. But both of them, if you do them right, they're going to look good, they're going to work well, they're going to keep your wheels clean longer and just make it easier for you to wash off dirt and dust and whatnot. So either way, whichever one you choose should be good, and as long as you're coating them, your wheels are going to look good too. So that's all we have today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.